Hey, what's going on YouTube? MC Seth here, coming at you from the spare room. Today we're going to be talking about Pinterest and the shared boards that I have that you can join to promote your products. So without further ado, we're going to get into this video. So for those of you who don't know, I'm DJ Seth, MC Seth, Joseph, Seth, whatever you want to call me, it's fine. I run the Serial Carnage YouTube channel where I give tips, tricks and tutorials about how to make your print-on-demand business as good as it can be. Now today we're going to be talking about Pinterest, so I'm just going to flick you over to that page there. And you can see this is my main Pinterest page. Now I've got a couple of boards on here that I share with others. I've got one for Contrado users or Bags of Love users and one for RedBubble users. I'm more than happy to add more if you want me to add more, because I've got a couple of other print-on-demand sites that I use as well, like Threadless or Spreadshirt. So if you have those, we can share a board there too. But this video is going to be basically about giving you the tutorial about how to add your products to this board, because I've had a couple of questions in the past about how to actually do it. Now there's a couple of ways you can do it. Now the first way, say this was your own page and not my page, and I've already invited you to the board. So you just go up here and you'd go and create a pin. Just in the normal way, go and drag and drop something there, you know, add your title, your description and your destination link, and you can come up here and you can find the board that way and post it to the board and publish that. But there's also another way that you can do it. Now it's probably more simple to go that route, but if you go onto my page and you find a board, there should be a picture of a chair on it. There we go. You can see we've got a couple of other artists in there already posting their stuff, which I'm more than happy to host. And you can see that there's a big plus button at the bottom of there. You just click that and create a pin that way, and it will take you to the same screen. But the difference being, let me just do that one more time for you. The board name will already be inserted into the board there. So whichever way you prefer, they're both going to work the same. This is a very short video, so there isn't that much to tell you, but I will give you some more information, because what you want to do when you post them to the board, there's different sections on this board and you can choose them from that same screen. So if I was to go here, create a pin, more independent artists, I can go down there and you see it's got the little group because it's a group board, but if I click that, I can choose one of the sections that's on that board to post to as well, and it will go straight into one of those sections, any one of these. And we're sort of creating new sections all the time. For example, these have just gone up within the last couple of days, so these are cutting boards, so they'll need their own section. And these are a couple of stationery items. We've got a stationery board there, so I'll just organize those and I'll put them into the stationery board there. It's very simple, and I'm more than happy to host all of these sections and, you know, organize them as best as I can. You don't need to worry about that. But for some people who would like to do that, you know, because running into problems like busyness, you know, I've got my Facebook group, my YouTube channel and my print on demand sites. As this gets a bit more busy, I might need some help along the way, so I'll be asking these people who were here first to maybe become moderators and arrange things in a certain way once they get a bit more familiar. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. Again, like I said, this is a short video. It's just giving you a quick tutorial about how to post on those shared boards. Now, you don't have to post to my shared boards. I'm sure there's tons of shared boards out there, and the more shared boards that you're on, the more views that you're going to get on your content as well. So it really helps people find your items. So with all that said, if you're getting any sort of benefit from these videos, please like, subscribe or make a comment. I'm always in the game of hearting and replying in as much detail as I can to all your comments, because as a new YouTube channel, I've got the time to do that at the moment, so I'm more than happy to do that. So don't be afraid if you've got any questions. There are no stupid questions. So with all that said, I wish you a good day and good luck in your print on demand business.